Welcome to So Techy YouTube channel again. Today I am sharing a little script that can help you to quickly integrate speech to text and text to speech functionality in your website. Let's check how it's working. You can go to socialuploader.com and there is option for it. I have contributed my script in this website. So when you have to write anything by your voice, you have to start the recognition. I think it's need the secure URL. Add HTTPS in that URL. Okay, and then you click on start and allow the microphone. I'm pausing it right now. So once you start the button, it will start recognize your voice, and once you pause your voice in your mic, it will write everything here. So let's check out how it's working. Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos. So this is how it's working for speech to text, and you can also speak it any languages and codes. Let's check out how it's working.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos.
You can try in another language.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos.
You can change the rate,
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos.
which is actually the speed of the voice.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos.
Let's move it back to the one. You can also set the pitch here.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and liking my videos.
This is funny. And if you want to recognize the words in your own languages, you can by going to the dist JavaScript folder, script.js. You can edit that, and there you can see the set language comment there. This is the official Google page where you can find which languages and code is supported. Let's check out how it's working. These are the languages and its code working right now with the Google speech to text recognitions. Let's check out Hindi for an example. You have to edit like small letters, first two small letters of the languages and capital letters of the country code. So let's check out the Hindi language. Save it, and you have to refresh your browser. Now we are going to try the Hindi language. कैसे हो दोस्तों, मेरे YouTube चैनल में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. It's working really nice. If you try to speak it in English, it will say nothing, but if you choose Google Hindi,
कैसे हो दोस्तों, मेरे YouTube चैनल में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
yes, it's working fine. And there is another cool feature there that you can save this note. Like if you click on save button, the note will be saved. And if you want to listen it again, click on listen note.
कैसे हो दोस्तों, मेरे YouTube चैनल में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
Make sure you choose the supported speak languages here. I've added download link in the description below. You can grab this entire code and you can make your own website for the text to speech or speak to text. Thanks for the watching. Please do like, subscribe and share my videos.